Tikana for lunchtime. Bell rings for lunch.
Grab your bottle of water out of your bag. Line up outside the lunch eating area.
Make sure you are in the correct line. Say please when asking for your lunch.
Can I please have a peanut butter and jam? Peanut butter and jam.
Remember to say thank you once you get it.
Here we go. Thank you. See ya. Oh, you too, love. Bye-bye.
Sit under the grass area under the shade. Put your hand up if you want more kai.
When the bell goes, clean up around you.
Walk up to the recycling bins. Place rubbish in the right bins.
Return back to class.